Hello! Are you ready? Stand by. Firing. Okay. So today we are going to unbox another Glock, which is the Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS FS. So game na tayo. Push na natin. So, ayun. Hugutin na natin ang mga nasa laman ng box. So first, umpisa natin. Ibang ano naman. The safety manual. Okay, ulit. Binabasa, hindi display. Okay, read. Okay. And the adapter plates. So, here, wag nga daw iwawala because expensive ang each plate. And then, we also have the cleaning rod and the cleaning brush. So, ayun, kwento ko lang. Nauna yung pag-try ko ng unit before unboxing sa sobrang excited. Diba ganun naman? Kapag meron kang bagong unit, parang super excited mo, gusto mo na siya dalhin ka agad sa ratio, gusto mo na siya i-try. So, yun yung nangyari. Ayan. So, here, cleaning rod and cleaning brush. Then, the back straps. The beaver tail for big hands. And then, bahala kayo if you want to install or if you don't want to install. It's up to you. It depends kung saan kayo comfortable. And then here is the unit. Let me show you. Here. Here's the unit. There you go. And then the other side. Ang pogi, di ba? Ang ganda. So, ayan. Safety first. Okay, chamber clear. Empty magazine. So, lapag muna natin siya dyan. It also comes with 2 magazines. 15 rounds each. Ganin! Okay. So, ayun, since na kwento ko nga na I tried the unit first bago i-unbox. So, for me, I prefer yung Glock 17. Maybe because full size siya, less yung recoil than this one. Medyo nalalakasan ako sa kanyang gamitin. But, para sa akin, this is good for, diba, ilagay sa bag for carry. Kasi, compact siya. Tapos, another thing na nahirapan ako is yung red dot. Medyo kasi pag nagkakasa ako, this is the easiest way for me. Itong ganitong paghawak than pulling it pag ganon. Kaya ngayon, pag gumanyan ako, nakahahawakan ko siya and feeling ko masisira ko siya. Yun lang naman. Tapos, ayun nga, ang ginamit naming plates is yung nandun sa Glock 17 kasi nga mas bago to. So, okay, try ko na lang pakita sa inyo yung dot. I hope makita nyo, ah. Ayun! See? Ayan siya. Ayun. So, ayun, sa next video, you will see, nag-tinry ko siya. 5 rounds lang naman. Tig 5 rounds ko siya tinry. Love ko naman din siya. Mas love ko lang yung isa. So, sa akin lang ha. So, ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching my video. Very short lang naman and brief. I'm just sharing my experiences. Okay? So, see you. I have a lot of questions pa. But, maybe I'll include it sa next video kasi sabihin nyo ang dami kong tanong. Thank you so much!
Try po natin si Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. Firing!